Come with this video, we expose to you how some police officers are busy harassing and brutalizing poor civilians for no just cause. Police brutality in Cameroon has been so rampant because many people are silent about it. And this disturbing issue has pushed us to talk about it because for now, we stand as a voice of the voiceless. Let's get started. Police brutality is becoming phenomenal in Cameroon's major cities like Yaoundé, Douala, Buea, Kumba and Bamenda, where some police officers constantly brutalize, harass and extort money from civilians with accusations that they are either scammers, drug dealers, accomplices or abettors. Comrade, what is most shocking is that these police officers are busy enriching themselves, particularly in the Anglophone regions which have been plagued with a crisis. It is necessary to point out clearly that walking with a socks and slippers and perhaps a dreadlock is enough evidence to these police officers to arrest you as a scammer. As if that is not enough, driving a car as a young man is an abundant reason to call you a scammer. Dear police officers, while we appreciate the good job you are doing in trying to prevent and eradicate the effect of cybercriminality in our beloved nation, I would like to draw your attention to some of the provisions of the cybercriminality law. Sure you want to get the content. Section 60 to 89 of Law Number 2010/012 of 21 December 2010 relating to cyber security and cyber criminality in Cameroon establishes the varieties of cyber crimes with a maximum punishment of 3 to 5 years imprisonment and or a fine of 1 million to 5 million CFA. Dear police officers, if you must have read this law, you will discover that there is no physical description as to who is a scammer. Thus, not everyone who looks like this or this is necessarily a scammer or a drug addict. Some could be upcoming artists or footballers. Comrade, we are exposing this because of the recurrent complaints we have received from so many victims who have given huge amounts of money to unscrupulous officers just because they were arrested and wrongfully accused of being scammers, abettors and drug addicts. Comrade, we are also exposing this because we think it's high time we put an end to this because Cameroon already has so many problems that it is causing attrition. So adding police brutality will be an economic murder. Again, we are showing this because we want to avoid another version of the just ended police brutality in Nigeria from happening in Cameroon. Comrade, we have done our part. It is now left for you to do yours by sharing this video as wide as possible for it to reach the unscrupulous police officers and their victims. Please, if you like this video, follow our page on Facebook and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.